Today the subject is going to be this small box. Inside is going to be an inverter, and we're talking about a 150 watt inverter. What exactly is do? It's convert your 12 volt to 110 volt. So 12 volt DC to 110 AC. We're going to look inside the box what exactly we have. Wow. Okay, it's really small. That's it. And what else we have? A small user manual. Yeah, really small, 2-page. That's it, that's all. And this is going to be cigarette plug. You plug it inside your car or your truck, and you could give you 110 volt. And here you have 2 USB, so like that if you need to charge your cell phone or you need to charge your tablet. On this side you have a LED. When it's okay, it's green, and when it's fault, it's going to turn red. On the back you have a fan, but I try it and trust me, it's not loud. It's really nothing. Okay, then the size of the inverter is going to be 3.2 of length. Wide it's going to be 2.4, and the thick 1.5. Okay, you can see in the front you have 2 USB, and one is going to be, the one on top is going to be 1 amp, and if you need more power you have the second one, it's 2.1 amp, and those guys, they're going to give you 5 volt. The brand of this inverter is FOVAL, and the model is M like Marie, T like Thomas dash MX 150 watt dash 3. So you can see really nice build. It's aluminum, it's not plastic, and the size and the length of the cord is 16-inch long. And yeah, it's really nice built, I swear to God. Okay, let's try it now. So what I did, I bring my, when you have no choice and you have bad car, so you need a power for battery for the car, so I'm going to put it like that. What I did, I went to plug it in, put it on, and this guy is working. I just want you to listen if you can. This is the fan is working, so you can see nothing, and you can see in the front the light, it's green. So this bad boy is okay. Yeah, you know something, let's try it with something else. Wait. Okay, look what we found. I know it's not the average tool you find inside your truck, but if you need to open a can of beans, that's perfect. Yeah, it's working. At least you can eat some beans in the morning. This guy is working. And if you need to charge your tools, that's perfect. It's still working. Listen to that, no noise. You can almost sleep on it. Okay, that's really nice. You have on the inverter, the warranty is going to be 1 year and plus 24 hours customer email service. I hope you like this video about this small inverter you can plug inside your car or your truck. If you like it, don't forget to ring the bell and like it too, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.